Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue east on I-10 in Jackson County, Mississippi. We begin at mile 50 near the Ocean Springs exit. Here we enter the unincorporated community of Gulf Hills, which had a population of 7,144 as of 2010. Jackson County is the fifth most populous county in Mississippi with a population of 143,277 as of 2018. By the way, don't speed in Jackson County. We enter the northern part of the city of Gautier, which had an estimated population of 18,566 as of 2018. The town takes its name from the Gautier family that originated in Lyon, France. Fernando Upton Gautier was born in 1822 on a cargo ship as his parents were emigrating to New Orleans. In 1867, Gautier established a spacious homestead at the mouth of the Pascagoula River, which still stands. He established a lucrative sawmill business in the area, and the town grew up from it. The home, known by locals as the Old Place, is owned by the descendants of Fernando Upton Gautier and his wife Teresa Fayard Gautier, and is used for private and public events. The Mississippi Sandhill Crane National Wildlife Refuge, established in 1975 to safeguard the endangered Mississippi sandhill crane and its unique disappearing wet pine savanna habitat, is located along I-10 just ahead. The refuge consists of more than 19,000 acres in 4 units and is now part of the Gulf Coast National Wildlife Refuge complex. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out, and hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. On this long bridge, we cross the Pascagoula River, which here at its delta is actually made up of several channels and bayous rather than one wide river. We enter the city of Moss Point, which had an estimated population of 13,378 in 2018. Moss Point is home to Trent Lott International Airport and the Mississippi Export Railroad. Here we ran into a bit of traffic due to a crash up ahead. We'll speed things up a bit until we get past the bottleneck. We conclude today's video at the Alabama state line after 77 miles of Mississippi. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.